Hey friends, welcome back. And in this video, you will learn about target impression share bidding. So, what is target impression share bidding? How it works? How you can set up and view report in target impression share bidding. So, hi friends, my name is Viren Negi, and if you're looking for any consultation or training, do check out my website addonwebs.com. So, what is target impression share bidding? It's a smart bidding strategy, and it will set your bid automatically based on the impression share and the placement you have selected. So now you are thinking, what is impression share? So impression share is basically, let's say there are total number of 1,000 searches for a given keyword or maybe a given campaign. Okay. Now let's say your ad shown around 50 times, maybe let's say 500 times. Sorry. So let's say your ad is showing 500 times. So it means you have impression share of 50%. So total number of eligible impression is 1,000. But your ad shown only 500 times, so it means you have 50% of impression share. So simple formula is impression you have received divided by total number of eligible impression and multiply by 100. So this is a simple formula for impression share. So how target impression share work? So based on the placement you have selected, let's say absolute top, maybe on the top of the page, so it will set your bid according to that and the number of impression share you want. So let me open my new window. So let's say you search for a personal loan. So this is very first position is called absolute top, and other position are called above the organic at top of the page. Okay, so top of the page is above the organic, and this one is absolute top, and anywhere on the page is, it means anywhere on the page. So it could be anywhere below and maybe on the top, so maybe on the second page as well. So based on the impression share and placement, so it will set your bid automatically for that particular position. So target impression share bidding work on search network, including search partner. So I recommend you, whenever you are using this bid, always use max CPC if you are bidding for absolute top and top of the page. Otherwise you will be paying high CPC. And you don't remove to existing bid adjustment. It will won't be basically and you don't need to remove existing bid adjustment, so it will ignore them. But if you have set mobile bid adjustment, then it will work. And you need a budget to match your goals. So if you have absolute top or maybe top of the page and you have selected 100% impression share, then you need that amount of budget to get to achieve those results. So let's dive into the campaign. I'll be showing in a new campaign and existing campaign as well, and how you can check the report. So if you are creating a new campaign, on the bidding section, you can select target impression share. So when you select target impression share, so you have three options here. Anywhere on the result page. So anywhere on the result page, let's say on here, maybe on here, and you can select top of the result page. So it means above the organic. So most probably these three positions are top of the result page, and you can select basically absolute top. So this very first position is absolute top. So keep in mind, depend on the position. So this is going to get you more high CPC. This is little bit less, and this will more less. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you are bidding for this position, you will pay high CPC. So let's say I want top of the page result, and I want to achieve 70% impression share. And when you are bidding for high, basically top of the result, and for this particularly absolute top and top of the result, then I recommend you must set a bid. So let's say I set up a bid limit of $1. So it means it will achieve this impression share keeping this bid in mind. So it will try to not cross this bid limit and get me the 70% of impression share. So you can use that as portfolio bid. So you can basically save it, target impression share bidding, and I want to achieve 70% impression share, so I put 70%. You can also keep the bid, and then you can save it. And if you have existing campaign, you can do the same. Select the campaign and go to setting. Then under this setting, you can see the bidding. Click on change, then select the target impression share bidding, and same thing you can do. Absolute top of the page, enter the percentage you want to achieve, and if you want to set any bid limit, you can do that. Okay, now let me go to the tools and bid strategies. So let me save it first. So let me use it as a portfolio bid, TIS 70%. Anywhere on the page, bid limit, let's say I put 50 rupees and I clicked on save. So I can access this bidding from here as well, going tools and bidding strategies, and you can click on this. So it's a learning mode right now, and when you go to the setting, so you can always change setting from here. So portfolio bid, you can use this bid in multiple campaigns. Use this bid on similar kind of campaign, the result you want to achieve, because you have set the bid limit. So different campaign had different type of CPC. Now let's go to my campaign and let me show you some data. So in ad group, I mean, you cannot change the bid anyway. On the keyword level, you always cannot do that as well. So let me scroll a bit. Okay, so here you can see the impression share of keyword wise. Okay, so I got 20% impression share, 39% impression share, and you can see basically a search based on the placement. So this is the top, this is the absolute top, and these are total number of impression share. So this is how you can check the reports, and based on that you can set your bid. Maybe you can increase your bid limit or you can decrease your bid limit. So if you want more on absolute top and the top IS, then you can increase your bid. Again, one thing you can check here is Auction Insight. So when you go to the Auction Insight, you can always see your impression share, top of the page impression share, and absolute top impression share. So based on that, you can increase or decrease your budget and maybe your bid as well. So let's say you have selected a 70% impression share and for the top of the page rate, and you're getting 45% impression share, then you might need to increase your budget. So let's say, because this one is getting absolute 75% of impression share, so you can increase your budget to get these kind of impressions. And for these two, absolute top and top of the page rate, you can increase your bid as well. So why you need to use impression share bidding? Simple, you want to get more impression from your campaign, then you can use this bidding. And if you want to be on top of the position all the time, so you can bid high and you can put more budget, so you will be on top for the particular keyword. So friend, this is it in this video, and if you have any query or doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and select all notification, so whenever I upload the new video, you will get notified. So thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.